Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making lemon poppy seed loaf. It's gonna be yummy. Let's get started. In a large bowl, I have a sifter. I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna sift my flour. Now I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Now I'm going to mix this and combine it really well. In a separate bowl, I have 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now I'm going to mix this really well to combine all my ingredients. Now I'm going to pour my dry ingredients in my wet ingredients and combine. Here's my loaf pan. It's 9 by 5, and I sprayed it with a nonstick baking spray. That's the one that has the flour. Nothing will stick if you use that stuff. So now I'm going to add my batter into my baking pan. Here's my loaf pan. Here's my batter. It's ready to go in a preheated 350-degree oven, and I'll let you know how long it takes to cook. Okay, you guys, look at this, look at this, look at this. It's beautiful. 45 minutes. Okay, some ovens will vary. 40 to 45 minutes, okay? I'm going to let it completely cool off, and then I'm going to make some icing. I'm going to pour some nice icing. I might get my husband to be a taste tester because he loves lemon. Okay, so see you in a bit. And now I've made up some icing to go on top. And that is just 1 cup of icing sugar, which is powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And here's my lemon poppy seed loaf. It really came out good. I'm going to get my husband to taste test it because he loves lemon. Okay, so here's my husband. So I'm going to have him be the taste tester for this lemon poppy seed loaf.
Okay, here I go.
Go ahead. What do you think? What do you think?
It has a real good flavor to it. Real good flavor.
You can really taste the lemon, right?
Yeah.
Because I put the lemon and the lemon zest. So there's lots of lemon in this loaf.
I give it a thumbs up.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm going to have another bite.
Okay, so this is lemon poppy seed loaf. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for being a taste tester, and we'll see you next time.